The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 365, effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Cambria, Cameron, Clearfield, Clinton, and Elk. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including light hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 365 has been issued until 2 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties: Cambria, Cameron, Clearfield, Clinton, and Elk.
The mac and cheese has evaporated. No. Good stuff.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued